Okay, now the session is now
Recorded.
this session is recorded and is going
Yes,
to
sir.
be.
We can show. We can see that
Yeah,
recording somewhere.
yeah. Okay. Uh, See these technical things, sometimes give some problem. And now I'm trying to give you some exercises with some kind of purpose. Now I am concentrating today on certain exercises where you will be doing it uh, purpose, creating some purpose or working on some specific purpose. When I say walk with specific purpose, this is the title of our exercises. Walk with a specific purpose. The purpose for the first purpose is, suppose you are a bedridden and after a prolonged, illness, after a prolonged illness, you are just trying to walk. Suppose that is the purpose. Okay, you understand? What I'm saying is the first purpose is you are bedridden after a prolonged illness. Now you are okay, but your doctors advised you now you can walk. For that, till the time they have advised you to take a rest, and now they have allowed you to walk. Then you are trying to walk. That is the first purpose. This is the first exercise which you are going to try. Okay. The second exercise, suppose you are a hunter. You are a hunter. Now you are hunting something. That what you are going to hunt, that I'm leaving you people, in a present scenario, don't try to imagine this something like you are going in a dense forest and trying to become a Bahubali and try to kill many things. Be realistic, and then you think about you are a hunter, you are trying to hunt something. So that is the purpose. Now you are walking in that line, you understand? I'm just now creating certain context, certain purpose where you are behave, trying to behave here. Okay. And the next purpose is you are walking in a slippery area. The area is very slippery. Maybe it is a bathroom or after rainy season. If suppose there is a rain, after rain, you are trying to walk with slippers. Slippers are the area itself is slippery area and you are, आपने slippers पहन के उसके ऊपर walk करना चाह रहे. There is a muddy area where it is slippery area and you are trying to walk on that. That is the other one. And the other situation, suppose you are a baby, and a baby is walking. That age group that you can decide. What is the age group of a baby that you can give? Baby कितना एज का हो सकता है? किसी को हम बेबी कहाँ तक कह सकते हैं? ये आप अपने आप डिसाइड कीजिए. You yourself can decide. A baby is walking. So you are a baby and you are trying to walk. That is the purpose. Walk with a purpose. I think I am able to. I'm clear. The next one is a awkward teen. A awkward teen, nervously approaching the opposite sex. In the sense कि male, teenage में है एक male, and he is trying to approach a girl of a same age. He's trying to walk. And the same thing with a girl, a very teenage girl, very awkwardly trying to approach a boy for to talk. Or what is the purpose of just approaching that guy? You can decide. There is no lines in between. What I meant to say is when I am giving you these actions, there is no lines at all. Don't try to explain your actions with the text. Okay. And don't try to give the effect of that. Just be there in that status. You understand what I'm trying to say? Don't try to behave. You are not there. You don't show that you are trying to show that reaction of it. To be there. उसमें आप behave कीजिए. Behaving. Acting is the other definition for acting is believing. Acting is believing. You believe. भैया मैं बाद में बात करता हूँ. दिवाकर, let me complete. Then I'll stop somewhere and then I'll discuss. Okay. So that was one thing. And then an awkward teenage में एक लड़का या लड़की है these two people are approaching the opposite, a boy approaching a girl or a girl approaching a boy. Both are in their teenagers. That is the purpose of the walking. No text here, no hi bye, no lines, nothing, no dialogue bazi, kuch nahi hai. Then a unhealthy person or abnormal personality walking with the speed, he's not walking normally, but he is walking in a speed way. थोड़ा उसका चलने में तेजी है ना, ये that's an intruder breaking into a house. ये आगंतुक है, and he or she just entering into a house which is somebody else's house. Intruder, आगंतुक के घर में घुसा है, वो चल रहा है उधर, वो घर में घुसा है तो कैसे वो वॉक करेगा. And the next is a soldier is crawling on the stomach, crawling on the stomach on a gunfire, है ना. एक soldier है, वो पेट के बल मूवमेंट कर रहा है ना. वो कौन से सिचुएशन में है वो आप अपने आप क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. And then fashion, this is very interesting. I think everybody loves to do it. A fashion model on the runway. A fashion model walking on the runway. You have seen fashion models running on runway, displaying their costumes and the new designs and whatever, and they are taking, what is it called? A catwalk, something like catwalk. A catwalk. And the last but not least, an elderly person crossing the road. An elder person crossing the road. वो elderly person का मतलब वो age group क्या है, ये आप अपने आप डिसाइड कर सकते. These are the some specific exercises. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 10 done. 10 exercises. Walk with purpose. Now when I say walk with purpose, you take the experiences of your earlier exercises. Once I said punctuate your actions. I said that, you remember my earlier classes, I said punctuate your movements, in the sense that each specific purpose of your action, now what you're going to do, you must able to design them. You must able to exactly know what will be the starting and what will be the middle of it, what will be the end of your action. That is what the punctuation of your walk. Suppose you are walking in a slippery area. How you start that? How you take it into the middle? How you end that? One simple action is that you are walking in a slippery area, but I want a complete action of 1 2 3, that is starting in the middle and the end. Okay, these are the things which you want. We always plan action before, or we can sometimes go with instincts. Now instinct, wonderful, instinct is there. Instead of that instinct, I have created a purpose. Now I have created a purpose. What kind of intuition or instinct you want to use, you can use it. There is no problem. But here planning is needed. Planning is needed just because whatever we are doing it purposefully here. Suddenly if you are thrown into an area where slippery area is there and you are then walking, that is different. But now you know purposefully that the area on which you are going to walk is a slippery area. Okay, keep that in mind, and then you plan your actions and you do it. Okay, now I will stop here for some questions.
Sir, Sukrin Jerome, can I ask?
Yeah.
Sir, the second scenario that you said, you are a hunter and you're trying to hunt something. Can it be a simple action like killing a cockroach?
Killing a cockroach, catching a rat, it can be anything.
Okay. And sir, the fourth action that you said, you are a baby and a baby is walking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a baby who's a 5-year-old. She never walks. She only runs around.
So in that sense, it is her walking. Then what we can do?
So I imitate her action.
Take it granted. Take it. Done. Yeah.
Sir,
thank you very much.
जितनी भी एक्सरसाइजेज हैं, उसमें मतलब खाली एक्टिंग बाय शोइंग करनी है विदाउट एनी डायलॉग.
हाँ, वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
ओके सर, ओके।
हाँ भैया, ये एक्टिंग के बारे में नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं, एक्टिंग नहीं है। सपोज आप उस एरिया में आप इस तरह का बिहेव कर रहे हैं तो आप कैसे करेंगे? एक्टिंग में एक एक्टिंग शब्द यहाँ पे मैं क्यों यूज नहीं कर रहा हूँ कि एक्टिंग में ये होता है कि एक्टिंग बोलते ही फॉल्स काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग आ जाता है हमको, है ना। हमने आपने पहले बहुत सारे चीजें हमने देखे हैं, जैसे स्लीपर एरिया में लोग कैसे करते हैं, जाके बीच में गिर जाता है, कॉमेडी क्रिएट करने की शो करता है, शो ऑफ होती है एक्टिंग में ज्यादातर। वी ट्राई टू शो ऑफ, but we are not going to do that. We are first trying to do, if really we are doing really एक slippery area में जहाँ पे पूरा कीचड़ है, मड है, जहाँ पे हम वॉक करते हैं तो क्या होगा हमारे साथ या हमारी बॉडी के साथ, हम उसको ट्राई आउट कर रहे हैं। यू अंडरस्टैंड? तो एक्टिंग बोलते ही फिर वो लोग थिंक करेंगे कि उसको बेस्ट कैसे करना है, उसको बहुत बढ़िया से कैसे करना है। ये नहीं चाहिए मुझे, ये नहीं। पहले से हम सीच करो कि हम ओरिजिनली उस स्थिति में हैं तो हमारे साथ क्या होगा वो हम करके करेंगे, ये हमको प्लान करना है। ठीक है?
Yeah. Sir, I wanted to ask you a question.
Yeah.
Isn't this a contradiction, because you're saying that we can plan what we're supposed to do, even if we think that, okay, this other person is going to slap me, and I know this person is going to slap me. Should I not focus on how I am going to react on that very instant, or should I plan that the moment that person slaps me, this is how I'm going to react? Then it's like a contradiction, isn't it? Like, how do I go with my instincts but at the same time have a planned reaction in my head and act that out accordingly?
Yeah, you're right. And somewhere it is like that. But now somebody instantly slapping you, then that is different. I am not asking for that. No. What I'm saying is you are walking with a purpose. You know the purpose. I'm just concentrating on the purpose. I'm not concentrating on the result. See, I am asking the result, then your question is right. You can I am not thinking about the ultimate result of that. What happens in a slippery area?
That is not what go
see
for.
What I'm trying is, if you are walking in a slippery area, I'm not giving you a conclusion that you should do this. Then you can perfectly plan somewhere you are skidding somewhere, and you at 1 feet or 2 feet you are trying to walk like, that becomes more artificiality. But you are very cautious that you are walking on a slippery area. That's all. You just concentrate on that. Forget about all those other things first. Try to do that. And later, because I have added the punctuating of the movement in earlier exercises, you can also use that. But because otherwise what happens, the exercise never ends, it will goes on, like it will goes on. So what I'm trying to say is complete action ke liye I am suggesting these punctuating actions. Otherwise the action prolongs, So that's why I want to make it a structured way of doing the things.
Okay, so we can go with our instincts when we are coaching, for example, but we just have to know where it ends.
Yeah. Later part we can develop these exercises will terminate into the other things, like whatever you are saying. I'll give you a specific purpose. I'll say then you can come to a conclusion. You can reach a climax there, a bit of a completion of action there. Then somebody is slapping, and then you are shocked. And then again you are slapping. If that is my conclusion for that exercise, you can perfectly plan that and take the instinct, whatever the experiences you have, whatever the your personality tells you to do that, and what makes you to react like that. That you can all think about it. But now I am just throwing you people into a context where I want to be there. You be there on a slippery area and just walk.
Sir, one more doubt. Sukreen Jerome, sir. Sir, do we use our sense memory for this, or do we actually go in that scenario? For example, today it has rained in our area. So the patch of land is very slippery. So I can go in that and do it, or do I use my sense memory?
Yeah, you can see what I am saying is you can use all your resources, whatever you are, you can do it. But I am already giving you a specific purpose. Whatever the things you can put it personally from your side, you can do it. There's no problem. But otherwise, I am already giving you that you are walking on a slippery area. Then how
Okay.
you can do it? You can use your sense memory exercises. You can use your observation capabilities, whatever you can do it. But once I mention the word acting, then you people go into imagination. Then there is a danger of cliche.
No, sir. Why I asked is because today it has rained here in Bangalore. So the road is, means the place outside is very slippery. So this particular action becomes very easy for me. That is the
Okay.
reason I asked.
Okay. That is blessing in disguise. Good. Yeah. Anybody else, my dear? Any other fellow, any other part of the group? कोई और कुछ समझना चाहता है या फिर समझाना चाहता है, बताइए.
Sir, one more thing. Sorry, I'm troubling again. This basically you only take footsteps, right? That is the walking part, nothing more than that.
Yeah. Walking part.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
But then your entire thinking is there, na?
Yeah, that is there. But no, I'm saying no dialogues, nothing. Just walk and show that. Okay,
No,
like
no.
how when I'm walking in that mucky area, my facial expression will be like very sticky, so it will be different. So that is what.
Yeah,
Just I'm thinking of that particular example.
Yeah. But there is no lines at all. There is no lines at all here. No dialogues, nothing. No lines, especially. No lines.
Thank you, sir.
Explain. अरे कितना मिट्टी है इधर, मैं फिसलूंगा, गिरूंगा, मेरे पैर टूटेगा, ये नहीं है अभी, कुछ नहीं है इधर, है ना? Don't take the help from that side.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. और कुछ? Okay.
Sir.
Divakar. Vicky.
Sir, we have to use the original objects or we have to just fake it? If I am a stranger or an intruder breaking into a room, that means I have to break into something that's original.
Don't go into other fellow's room, man, other fellow's house, and then do it. Take a camera with you. Sir, this is only a.
Sir, you can do it in his friend's house.
But then also you are not an intruder. You know they are not.
Yes.
You are known to them. But what I am saying is, even I am entering into my own room, I feel like I am an intruder. I am entering into somebody else's home. That's all.
That means we have to fake it.
Don't use a word called fake. You are creating it given circumstances.
Yes, we have to fake it in a realistic way.
That's what I'm saying. Faking is something different, man. Fake is something different, which is unrealistic kind of a thing. I do understand. In a simple words, it's a faking. But what I'm saying you are being put up in a different kind of a situation. That's all. Many times what happens if you are in your home, your own house also, you feel alien. Sometimes you yourself feel that you don't find your own space in your own house. That's why people say that house is a place where people understand you. That is the other word for the house. तो कुछ लोग घर लेट आते हैं, इसका मतलब क्या है? अगर वो कभी भी आया तो कोई लोगों को फर्क नहीं पड़ता, इसलिए वो लेट आता है बंदा. तो इसलिए एक जगह है वहां पे बार बार जाता है, तो इट इज हिज हाउस वेयर पीपल ही कैन अंडरस्टैंड देम. चिट चैट करते हैं, बात करते हैं. एंड समवेयर पीपल वी हैव आवर ओन हाउस, पीपल डजंट केयर फॉर मी, so then I may be coming late. So this is the feeling, personal feeling. You always can create your own spaces. You always create your own alien spaces also. आपके लिए कोई दूसरा जगह है, अपने ही रूम में आप उसको किसी दूसरे की जगह में हम एंटर हो रहे हैं, पर्सनल स्पेस में या प्राइवेट स्पेस में, ऐसा हम थिंक कर सकते हैं. यू कैन यूज अ वर्ड फेक, बट वो थोड़ा बार बार फेक करने से एक्शन भी फेक हो जाता है, इसलिए मैं वो वर्ड यूज करना नहीं चाहता हूँ. ठीक है. विकी और विक का मतलब क्या है भाई? विक क्या होता है? Vikram?
Sir, no, sir, not Vikram. Vicky. Sir, just highlighted it and made it in a short form.
Tech Vicky, you're a technological man.
Yes, sir.
What do you do?
Sir, I'm an engineer. I'm studying.
Software engineer or what?
No, sir, I'm studying electrical engineering.
Oh, that's wonderful. Okay. Thank you, Vicky. And then let me move to the other part of the today's section. that we are trying to discover some kind of an action. And today I'm going to give you a homework that we'll call everyday actions. Everyday actions, everyday actions, what we will do, everyday actions. Now, think about the actions which you have done from the morning to this time. Morning to this time, or take up to 10 o'clock today. Let us say you wake up today around 6 o'clock or whatever the time. You just sit at a place and chalk down your actions. Chalk down your actions. Like some calling bell, ring ho gaya, and you are trying to open the door, and somebody brought some material from Amazon or Flipkart or whatever. You have taken it. How you have taken it? You just think about the actions. Only actions. Daily actions, and you are going into kitchen and putting something on the gas stove and eating and preparing a cup of tea or the meal or whatever the physical actions you have done, and you have gone into the bathroom and switch on the geyser, and what are the physical actions, how many you have done, maximum you try to chalk down and write down, scribble them. उस सारे actions को लिखो, है ना, सारे actions को लिखो, and then in the next class I will do some exercises on that. Is there any problem for that? Everyday actions, everyday actions. But don't try to write something which you have not done. Okay. आज मैंने वो
सर, हेलो सर,
हाँ जी
इसे भेजना भी है, भेजना भी आपको, मेल भी करना है आपको। मेल
मत करो, मेल करो या क्या करोगे, लिख के रखो अपने पास। ग्रुप में तो फॉरवर्ड नहीं हो सकता, वो मेल करो, ग्रुप नहीं होगा।
सर आपको व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं ना?
व्हाट्सएप, मेरे पर्सनल नंबर पे व्हाट्सएप करो, ठीक है? लेट मी सी हाउ मेनी पीपल आर। दिस इज
Sir, one more thing, Supreme Jerome. In the last class, you told us to read one script, and you said that we'll be discussing something related to a script from that.
Okay. That went out of my mind. But I'll do it something on text and part in the next class. Okay. Today I have prepared something else for that. Okay. Thanks for reminding that. Okay. So the everyday actions, for example, opening a door. We are also done some earlier exercises, peeping through windows and all that. Reading a newspaper. It can be reading a newspaper, observing something, taking out something, packing out something. If you are at office, 5 actions. Asu Thapa is asking which 5 actions, my dear? I don't remember. Thapa?
The first 5 actions, sir. I missed the first 5 actions. I guess that baby onwards I have captured, sir.
Actually, I have given 10. Okay.
The first 5 I have missed, sir. The 6 till 10th I have got.
Okay.
Sir, it is getting recorded, no?
It is recorded, Asu Thapa. I'll send you. No problem. Okay. I'll type it and send you personally. No issue.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Right. Okay. The thing is, everyday actions, for example, here also you just try to scribble only actions, not the dialogue part of it, whatever you are speaking. Okay. Examining something, chalk down every actions, reading a newspaper, tearing a paper, or adjusting some, switching on, switch off the mobiles, or just looking at a mobile for some information, or checking your mails, whatever the physically you can
eating a breakfast,
whatever,
eating a breakfast,
eating, wonderful. So all those actions you can just scribble them and keep it with them. Sir, can you send all the recording sessions to me? Because boss, every recording session I am uploading in the group. They are all there in the group, or they are also there in our YouTube channel. You can go to that channel and you can see those all recordings, whatever I have done up to till the moment, whichever recorded. I'm trying to put up them in the YouTube channel for the records for people who have not attended or want to, again go back and listen to those things. You people can go and just visit that. Okay. That's all for today. Anything else? Any questions? Any confusions about the other part? Please. Rajkumar mentioned 10 actions in the message group because I was late. Okay. I'll type it in the group. Don't worry. I'll type these actions, 10 actions, in the group, in the WhatsApp group, and I'll send it. Okay. Yeah. Any
Sir,
questions?
if you are,
Tell me,
sir,
Taba.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you have asked us to list down all the actions, whatever we can remember. मतलब if they're 20, 30, 40, 50 जितने भी हों, या कुछ एक लिमिट है कि whatever like 25 actions only.
लिमिट तो तुम्हारे हाथ में है, आप कितना लिखना चाहते हैं वो आप लिखिए. तो अगर आपने लिमिट बोला है तो 12 कर देंगे इसको. 12 is a good number. 12 actions.
Because 12 actions is good.
12 actions is good. Okay, morning sessions में 4 कर दो, मॉर्निंग सेशन में 4 कर दो, आफ्टरनून सेशन में 4 कर दो, इवनिंग सेशन में 4 एक्शंस आप जो चाहते हैं उसको लिखिए. एंड 12 एक्शंस मिनिमम उनको बना के स्क्रिबल करके मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर दो.
स्क्रिबल मींस लिखना ना सर? हम
अरे लिखना है
वाले स्क्रिबल मतलब ड्राइंग करते हैं सर. इसके लिए
तुम ड्राइंग भी कर सकते हो, मैं समझ जाता हूँ.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर.
ठीक है.
Sir, one more doubt. So that last Sunday there was one session which you had taken. Is that also recorded and put up in the YouTube channel?
That is in the Facebook.
Sir, I tried seeing on the Facebook. It was not there. So that's the reason I asked.
I'll try to send the link. I'll try to send the link in the group.
Okay, sir. So I had sent you one doubt regarding that, regarding the folk theater thing. When you're doing a street play or something, that is, these college and universities these days, they put up straight plays in the malls and or on the road to give a particular message. Will that come under folk theaters?
No, it doesn't come under.
Okay,
it doesn't come under, because the purpose is something is different. We are trying to understand the different forms of it, because when I say folk theater, there is no text, but when we do street theater, we do develop a text. We develop a text particularly for a written text, and then we try to do it, because there are certain functions and the elements which we are talking about in the name of folk theater, which may or may not be there in street theater. We may be using some techniques here and there, but it is not totally a folk theater form.
And the street theater and Nukkad Natak is the same, right, sir?
Nukkad street, there are the same thing. There are only the name is changing. Same thing.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Anybody? Any questions?
No, sir.
No? Okay, done.
Sir, we have to send these videos in your personal WhatsApp number, right, sir?
Yeah. And you can send it to email, yeah. Email is there, na? Send it to email.
Okay.
Email ID, that is cpatha@igno.ac.in. Okay. Rajan Kumar, all the actions I'll sending you, and all the recordings are there in our group. And the YouTube channel you can go to. And one more thing, today I have forwarded one video, the third video of Voice and Speak. Some more exercises which you can practice at your home. So please look into that and try to see that and try to practice whatever the actions, whatever the exercises which I have given in that. Okay. Today group in the group I have forwarded. Okay. Right.
OTHL 3 now.
OTHL 3, video number 3. Okay. Video number 3. Okay, guys. See you on the maybe day after tomorrow.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sukreen Jerome here again, sir. Sir, this is not related to the class. Just wanted to check with you, sir. Can we start filling in the forms, because that some issue was there. No, some issue was there. No, that the numbers were not showing up and all that.
Yeah, whoever numbers IGNO recognize कर रहा है, वो आप भर दीजिए फॉर्म्स, एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म्स.
सर, क्योंकि मेरा अभी भी दिखा नहीं रहा था, इसके लिए.
अच्छा, ठीक है. देखो, एक बार ट्राई करिए.
आज मैं एक बार ट्राई करती हूँ सर. इन केस नहीं हो रहा है, then I'll get in touch.
Yeah, please. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Right. Thank you for the day, and see you guys. All the best. Take care.
Thank you, sir.